Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, this is your maths video class and we are learning chapter number 12, geometry. Children, we have discussed about different shapes and we have discussed about many exercises. Today we are going to discuss about solid shapes. Okay, so children, solid shapes just like a cuboid, cube, sphere, cone, etc. Okay children, so first I'll draw on the board and write some specific feature of these solid shapes. Okay children, so now let's start children. So first of all we will write about cuboid. Cuboid. Okay children, so this is cuboid. So this is cuboid children and I am going to write about this cuboid. Each surface of a cuboid, each surface of a cuboid is plane and is called face Okay children, so each surface of the cuboid are plane. Here you can see this is cuboid and each surface means जो उसकी ऊपरी वाली skin है, or you can say this is the surface or face of the cuboid are equal. Okay, so these are the plane. There is no curve. Okay, so this is called cuboid. Okay, now it has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. 6 faces, it means 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 faces. Cuboid having 6 faces. Okay, and 12 edge. 12 edges. 12 edges and 8 vertex. And 8 vertex, it means corners. Each face, okay, each face of a cuboid is rectangular. Okay, here you can see this is rectangular in shape. Cuboid always having rectangular in shape. So you will write each surface of a cuboid is plane and is called face. It has 6 faces as we have discussed. It has 6 faces children and 12 edges. Here we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here children you can see there are 12 edges. 12 edges you can just see over here, 12 edges are there and 8 vertex. 8 vertex you just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertex, it means 8 corners. Okay, so there are 8 vertex. Okay children, so the feature of cuboid is each surface of the cuboid is plane, there is no curve and is called face. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. Each face of cuboid, now I am going to erase few lines children. Okay. So children, here you can see each face of a cuboid is rectangular. Is rectangular. This is the special feature of this cuboid. Is rectangular. All opposite faces are equal. All its opposite faces are equal. Now children, few things you have to learn because this is necessary to writing cuboid, about cuboid. So cuboid, as we have discussed, it's all the surfaces are plane and it's having how many corners? 8 corners or 8 edges, vertex are there. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. Each face of cuboid is rectangular. Rectangular in shape, not in square. So always remember cuboid having its rectangular shape and all its opposite faces are equal. यानी जो उसके opposite faces हैं, it means ये और ये इसका equal है, ये और ये इसका equal है और आगे और पीछे का they are also equal. So children, cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertex. Each face of the cuboid is rectangular and all its opposite faces are equal. So children, write it down, draw this, and we are going to learn the next shape is cube. Okay. So children, take a screenshot. Now we are going to do about cube. Okay. So the next shape is cube. Cube, as we have seen many times in our house, just like ice cube. We have seen this cube is having a square shape. Okay children. So cube, like a dice, we are playing with a Ludo or in many Chinese checker you just see there's a dice. So dice is also having a cube shape. Okay. So cube. Now we will draw this cube first. This is cube. Okay. This is cube and it like a cuboid, but its face is, it is like a cuboid, okay, but its faces are, of the same shape and size. Of the same shape and size. Okay. Of the same shape and size, children. Okay. Now, each face of a cube, each face of a cube is square in shape, is square in shape, children. Okay, is in square in shape and all edges are also equal. All its edges are also equal. So children, here you can see this is cube, and cube, it is like a cuboid. It is looking like a cuboid, but its shape is not rectangular, its shape is square. Okay, so but its faces are of the same shape and size. Each faces are same in size. Okay, because this is looking like a square, the shape of this cube is a square. That is why all sizes of all faces sizes are equal. As you all know children, हमेशा स्क्वायर में सारे चारों तरफ की आपकी जो लंबाई होती है और जो उसकी चौड़ाई होती है, they are all equal, as we have discussed when we have seen the fundamental shapes. So here children, you can see this is cube and it is like a cuboid, but its faces are of the same shape and size. Each face of a cube is a square in shape. All its edges also equal. So all the edges of this cube are equal children. So this is the special feature of cube. So it's looking like a square. Okay, the shape of this cube is square. Always remember, it is looking like you can say cuboid, but it is not as such. So children, this is cube. Write down about cube. Now after that, we will write about cylinder. Okay, so complete this. Take a screenshot, and now we are going to write about cylinder. So our next solid shape is cylinder. Cylinder, as we have seen in our homes, there is a gas cylinder or your water bottle. Okay, if it is circle in shape and it's having a long body, so we can say this is cylinder. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about cylinder. Now I am going to draw the shape of the cylinder over here. You can see this. Okay. The quality of cylinder is there is a two surfaces and both surfaces are plane. There is no curve. Similarly, as we have seen in the two previous shapes. So similarly here you can see in cylinder also there is no curve in the edges. Okay, जो उसके ऊपर और नीचे का हिस्सा है, that is plane. So it has two plane. I will write on the board. It has two plane or you can say flat surfaces and one curved face. Okay, it has two circular edge. It has two circular edge. So children, the feature of this cylinder is, here you can see this is plane surface. Plane. This is also plane children. And curved face. Curved face. इसका कैसा face होता है? Curved होता है, because this is circle. So that is why the body of this shape is circle. So this is circular in shape, curved in shape. But the special feature of this shape is it has two circular edge. Two circular edge, but surface of this edge are plane. This is the special feature. There is no curved in, you can see in the surface. Surface plane, but it's having a curved circular edge. Okay, so it has two plane flat surfaces and one curved face. Here you can see this is the curved face. It has two circular edge. Now here you can see two circular edge are there. So this is about cylinder. And cylinder we have seen many times. If you will see your sanitizer bottle, if it is circular in shape, it is also looking like cylinder. If you are having a water bottle, this is also a shape of cylinder. So this is cylinder in shape because it's having a long, you can see this lines, and it's having a circular shape, and the edge of this shape is circular, but the surfaces are plain. So this is the quality of cylinder. Okay children, so write it down about cylinder. Okay. Now after that we will learn about cone. The next solid shape is cone. So write it down, take a screenshot. You must have seen this cone shape because whenever you are moving here and there, you just want to eat ice cream cone. So yeah, I think you must have always having that type of the cone. और आप हमने हमेशा आइसक्रीम खाई होगी कोन में. तो कोन का शेप अगर आप देखेंगे तो दिस इज आइसक्रीम का जो कोन होता है वो जो शेप होता है दैट इज कोन. एंड यू हैव many times I must have you must have worn your birthday cap. बर्थडे कैप का भी शेप जो होता है वो भी आपका कोन शेप का होता है. तो आपने जितनी बार आपका बर्थडे पड़ा होगा उतनी बार आपने ज़रूर और ज़रूर आपने जो कैप लगाई होगी बर्थडे की वो कोन की होगी, है ना. द शेप ऑफ द बर्थडे कैप इज़ ऑल्सो कोन. एंड आपने देखा होगा जोकर सर्कस में जो जोकर होते हैं वो भी हमेशा कोन शेप की ही कैप लगाते हैं. तो बहुत कॉमन है, दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन शेप. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ ओवर हियर. This is cone shape. Okay. Now we will write about this shape. It has two faces. It has two faces. It has two faces. One plane. One plane and one curved. And one curved. Okay. One plane and one curved. Okay children. One plane and one curved face. Okay. It has one vertex. It has one vertex and one circular edge. And one circular edge. Now children, we will start from this line. One circular edge you can see over here. This is the circular edge. One circular edge is there. So this is edge is circular. And here children you can see plane surface. So the surface of this cone is plane. And here you can see children vertex are only and only one. Okay, one vertex here you can see. This is looking like a triangle. So vertex is 1. Vertex is 1 over here. Okay. So one vertex, plane surface and edge are curved. Edges are curved. So and one circular edge. जो इनकी curved वाली इनकी circular edge होती है. ठीक है. तो this is cone. Cone तो बहुत ही common shape है. बहुत ही common आपका shape है और आपको कई जगह ये देखने को मिल सकता है. Now our next shape is sphere. So write it down. Or take a screenshot. Now we will discuss about sphere. A sphere is also very common shape, children. Sphere, very common shape. Okay, and it is just like a cricket ball and football. It is just like a cricket ball or football. Okay, it has only one face which is curved. It has only one face which is curved. This is about sphere. So a sphere actually it's a curved shape or you can see very common shape. अभी आपने बॉल अगर घर में देखी होगी तो बॉल भी इसी शेप में होती है. फुटबॉल हो, क्रिकेट बॉल हो, बास्केटबॉल हो, कुछ भी हो. So it is also in the circular shape. It is just like a cricket ball or football. It has only one face which is curved. One face इसका होता है जो कि curved होता है. So children, write it down. Okay, draw this in your copy. And so I'm going to conclude this video because we have discussed lots of shapes today. And we will be continuing the same chapter in our next video also. So children, till then, bye-bye and take care and draw this in your notebook.